Most people don't know this. But the same pill you reach for when you have a headache could mimic a professional skin-treating ingredient powerful enough to fade stubborn dark spots, the ones that survive every cream, serum, scrub, and face mask. Here's the disturbing part. Millions of people use it the wrong way, every single day. Too concentrated. Too often. Too harsh. And instead of fading dark spots, it creates new ones by burning the skin barrier. But when you understand the science behind this ingredient and the right way to approach it, you unlock a trick that dermatologists actually recognize, and it all starts with aspirin. Keep watching, because what you discover in the next few minutes may completely change how you treat hyperpigmentation forever. Why aspirin is linked to dark spot removal, science explained simply. Aspirin contains acetylsalicylic acid, which breaks down into a form of salicylic acid, a well-known dermatologist-approved ingredient used to exfoliate dead skin, unclog pores, reduce inflammation, speed up cell turnover, improve pigmentation over time. Salicylic acid is especially effective for post-acne dark spots, dull texture, mild discoloration, surface-level pigmentation. This is why aspirin gets attention online. It's not magic. It's chemistry. The real reason dark spots appear, and why they stay. Dark spots don't just sit on the surface. They form because of inflammation, acne, scratching, irritation, excess melanin production. The skin sends pigment as a shield. Slow cell turnover. Dead cells hold onto pigment. Sun exposure, even tiny amounts darken spots further. So when people apply random DIY mixtures without understanding this biology, they usually make things worse. Your skin doesn't need aggressive bleaching. It needs controlled exfoliation plus anti-inflammatory support, which is why aspirin gets so much attention. What aspirin can do: science-backed benefits. When used carefully and correctly in theory, aspirin-derived salicylic acid may help reduce surface-level dark spots by dissolving dead skin cells holding pigmentation, calm inflamed areas that trigger new spots. Inflammation is the #1 cause of post-acne marks. Smooth, rough, or textured skin. It helps unclog pores and refine the outer layer of the skin. Support faster skin healing. This makes pigmentation fade faster than usual, not instantly, but noticeably. What aspirin cannot do: important reality check. Aspirin is not a professional-grade treatment. It does not remove deep melasma. It does not replace real salicylic acid products. It is not meant for sensitive, peeling, or damaged skin. It should not be used daily or aggressively. Misuse can cause redness, irritation, or worse, more hyperpigmentation. The overnight effect. What people actually notice. Here's what most people mean when they say overnight dark spot removal. Not permanent removal, but a visible improvement in brightness, clarity, reduction in redness, smoother texture. This comes from the exfoliating effect of salicylic acid, meaning the skin looks fresher because the dull surface layer is gently removed. Some people find that their dark spots look lighter the next day because dead skin was lifted. Inflammation went down. The spot isn't as activated. The surface appears brighter. It's not magic, it's biology. Dermatologist-approved alternatives that work better than aspirin. Niacinamide. Reduces dark spots plus inflammation. Vitamin C. Brightens and prevents new pigmentation. Azelaic acid. Ideal for acne marks and sensitive skin. Salicylic acid. Proper skincare form. Much safer than DIY aspirin mixtures. Sunscreen. The most powerful dark spot eraser. Nothing works without it. Important safety notes. Do a patch test. Always test a small amount on the inner arm or behind the ear first. Wait 12 to 24 hours to check for redness, itching, or irritation before using it on your face. Avoid broken or irritated skin. Never apply aspirin to open wounds, fresh pimples, cuts, or already irritated areas. It can sting, worsen inflammation, and trigger even darker pigmentation. Don't mix with strong actives like retinol. Combining aspirin, a form of exfoliation, with retinol, glycolic acid, or benzoyl peroxide can over-exfoliate the skin, leading to burning, peeling, or new dark spots. Stop immediately if burning occurs. A mild tingle is normal, but burning, intense redness, or pain means your skin barrier is reacting. Rinse it off right away and avoid further irritation. If the spot gets darker, see a dermatologist. Darkening means the pigmentation is deeper or irritated. A dermatologist can diagnose the cause and recommend stronger, safer treatments like chemical peels or prescription creams. The truth about the aspirin trick. Aspirin isn't a miracle, but it is a fascinating, science-backed ingredient that behaves similarly to salicylic acid, which is why some people see quick improvements in dark spots, texture, and inflammation. The real secret isn't the ingredient itself. It's understanding how your skin works and using treatments safely, gently, and consistently. And the moment you understand that, you unlock results that look almost overnight. You deserve skin you feel confident in. Take it one simple step at a time, and I'll guide you through every single one on how to use this amazing trick in the next video.